Hey guys, ever wondered what's inside a paint can? Well, I picked 4 different branded cans to have a look inside and see what I could find. Of course, some of us might have seen videos in the past showing us what's inside a paint can. However, I was surprised twice out of the 4 cans that I tried. So can number 1, we've got a glass marble. So it might not be a shock to some of us, but let's keep going. Can number 2, let's have a look inside. I get a zoom up close up. It's actually a metal ball, maybe a ball bearing. And again, interesting find. So let's keep going to can number 3. Now can number 3, let's get inside this one, give it a shake. It's a glass marble. Lucky last, we have can number 4 on the far end. There were 2 metal balls inside that one. An absolute surprise, wasn't expecting that. We did find that these metal balls were magnetic. So there you have it guys, 4 cans, 5 balls, flick one for good luck, and we'll catch you at the next video.